PureFlo ESM PF33. This video is a quick start guide demonstrating how to set up your PureFlo ESM PF33 respirator ready for use. Charging the batteries. Fully charge the batteries before first use as shown. The charger's LED indicator will turn green when charging is complete. Fully charge batteries before first use. A full charge can take up to 2.5 hours. If you are using multiple ESM Plus systems, a multi-station charger is available for convenient simultaneous charging. Inserting the batteries. Insert both batteries, ensuring they are fitted correctly, and click into place. Close the Velcro strap securely to protect the charging terminals. For optimal battery performance and a runtime of up to 8 hours, both batteries must be installed. Checking the filters. Check that you are using the correct filter for the application. Filter options include a P3 filter for particulates, a P3 nuisance odor filter for particulates and nuisance odors, and an ABE1P3 combination filter for gases, vapors, and particulates. Ensure the filter is attached correctly and not cross-threaded. When removing the filter, hold the unit in the correct position to avoid contamination from the filter entering the unit as shown. Attaching the neck cape. Before attaching the neck cape, ensure that it is free from tears and abrasions. Starting from the center, attach the neck cape to the frame as shown. Checking the visor. Check that the visor is clean and the visor protector is attached and has clear visibility. It's important to have the over visor attached to prevent damage to the main visor. Adjusting the headband. Remove the headband from the unit and place it on your head to check the initial fit. It may not fit correctly on first use. Undo the crown pad to adjust the crown strap as required for height and comfort. Refit the headband and position it correctly. For an optimal fit, the front pad should sit just above the eyebrows. Adjusting the ratchet. Turn right clockwise to tighten. Push in and turn left anti-clockwise to loosen. Reinstall the headband into the unit, ensuring all locating points are correctly aligned and positioned equally on both sides. Donning the respirator. Switch on the unit using the on-off switch located on the side of the respirator. Wait for the LED to turn green before donning. The LED will illuminate red for approximately 5 seconds during startup. Once the LED is illuminating green, the unit is working correctly and is ready to use. If the LED continues to flash red and an audible alarm sounds, do not use the respirator as the unit may require a filter or battery change. Refer to the alarm indicator section for a full explanation of LED and alarm states. Don the respirator and tighten the ratchet on the head harness for a secure, comfortable fit. Alarm indicators. During normal operating, the following warnings may be given. Red LED fast flashing and alarm sounding indicates the filter is ready for replacement and needs changing as soon as possible. Red LED slow flashing and alarm sounding indicates to stop work immediately and replace the batteries. You will have approximately 15 minutes of battery power remaining before the battery shuts down. If both filter and batteries have been changed and the LED continues to flash red and alarm, the respirator should be returned to a service center for inspection. Fastening the neck cape. Adjust the neck cape by using the toggle fastener to tighten the drawstring and create a secure seal. Tuck the toggle inside your workwear and keep it safely contained and out of the work area. Closing the visor. Ensure the visor is fully closed before entering the work area and remains closed until clear of the hazard. The visor can be secured in place by utilizing the locking clip provided. Doffing the respirator. Remove the unit by undoing the neck cape and releasing the ratchet on the head harness as required. Switch off the respirator using the on-off switch. Post-use. Remove the batteries and place on charge. Inspect the respirator for any damaged or worn parts and replace as necessary. Clean with pure wipes or a mild cleaning solution. Fasten the toggle up and tuck inside the respirator. Store the unit safely in the PureFlo storage bag. For detailed care and maintenance procedures, refer to the full operating and maintenance guide.